Go to Parachute Learning and select the link that says Vehicle for Hire Training Parachute Canada. You can find all the information over here about the test and the training. To get the Vehicle for Hire training program, we have to register on parachute.ca website. It says that course takers have to complete the mandatory class and the sessions. The test will contain the 50 questions in online exam and it will take 2 hours. And it says that you will need to be visible to the examiner, and the course fees will be 79.95 plus HST, which will be $90.34. You will have only two retake. If you will be fail in the both of the retake, then you will have to pay the $49 fees to give the test again. So the registration requirements will be your driving license. You will have to upload the copies of your driving license, the front and the backward. You will have to complete the modules, the 5 modules that you will get after the registration in the site. So these modules will cover all the uh, things that will come in the test. Live online class and test. There will be a online class, live class of 2 hours, and the test time will also be included in that. So you will be giving test during the class in the video call. You will have 50 questions to complete in the test, which will be coming from the modules that you have learned. You will get the confirmation email of the test joining link when you will when you will book your test time and the test date. So after completing your test, you will get your certificate. You need to have 70% to pass the test. If you will pass the test with 70% grades, then you will only be seeing the certificate. All the 5 modules will be covering all these topics. Now go to the given link to register to the website to get the training. Now create new account, put your username and put all the information that it asks for. Put your email address and confirm your email address. Put your first and last name. Then put your full address with city, province and the postal code. Put your contact number and create my new account. Now after login, if you will go to my courses, then you will see your course vehicle for hire training program. You can select it and after that you will get options to upload your driving license information that I have already uploaded mine. You will see all your modules in the dashboard that you have to complete. I cannot show because I have already completed, and you will also get the link to book the test at the end of modules, and you can see your certificate in my certificates tab and download it. When you will go to the my certificates tab, you can see that you have your certificate here. If you have passed the test, then you can download your certificate from here or here. Now it will look like this. So you will get your certificate at the end of your test after completing the test like 5 or 10 minutes. Then you can upload your certificate where you want to. Good luck.